Hey guys, Tony, good morning. So ANKR does look like it wants to keep breaking out. It did break relative highs of the week of 9 cents, 9.2-ish. It is currently at 9.8. We are looking at breaking, hopefully, it did break relative highs, 9.81, 9.87. So we actually just broke relative highs on ANKR of 9.87, which keeps me, I'm hoping that we actually keep running up. The previous all-time high has actually been 22 cents, which would be what, like a 2x from here. I definitely think it's a possibility that we run possibly a 3x from here, maybe. I think if we do hit a 3x somewhere around maybe 27 cents, I will more than likely be cashing out maybe around 50% of the position. But I haven't seen the TA of ANKR right now. It is looking like it does want to run to the upside. We'll see what happens in the next couple of days. But I think the last time I saw the TA, the weekly did want to close on a bullish candle. So I'll go look at the TA, I'll come back and I'll make another video. But it does look like ANKR has decided to run, or at least start running to the high side for whatever reason. But we'll see what's going on. Bye.